All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys from Beauty Forever Hair. This is a super easy, straightforward wig, 26 inches, 150% density. If you're interested in a super quick look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so inside the package you will receive a few things. I think this was a scarf, a wig cap, elastic strap if you need it, and then some care cards, and of course here is the wig. It does come with transparent lace, which isn't like the most transparent, but it's workable. Like, it wasn't that big a deal. Plus the lace was pretty soft and comfortable, so nothing a little foundation could not fix. And then of course 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back with an adjustable strap. And yeah, as far as the wig goes, you guys, it's 150% density, like I said, straight wig. And here is the hairline. This is the main thing I want to point out, and that I try to point out with all of my videos, because I think it's the most important, is that they didn't really give you too much of a pre-plucked hairline, so you will have to put in some work when it comes to this wig. I spent about 30 minutes on this hairline just plucking, and the thing is, the hairline is not thick. It's just, you just need to pluck it. You just need to go back and kind of make it more realistic. So I didn't really have too much time to spend on it. I will go back and pluck some more because I just think it's necessary. So I just wanted to point that out. So just keep that in mind if you choose to go with this wig. So yeah, I'm just combing that wax stick through, and then next I'm going to take my hot comb and just get this flat as possible at the top. Whenever I am doing a like sleek straight look, I always like to do it 9 times out of 10. I love to do it on my mannequin because I can really get to the roots, and I can really press that hot comb up against it to make it as sleek and as straight as possible. So here I'm just applying some foundation on the lace, which is again really soft. I just want to stress that because lace is like one of the most important things on a wig. But yeah, super soft, and you can see right when I applied the foundation how it's really starting to kind of just blend in with my skin. So it's not bad at all. And then here I'm just going to cut it off. I have done this part 50,000 times, you guys, so I'm not going to talk through it. But if you need a detailed wig install, like just how I melt my lace and stuff, I have plenty of those videos. I'm just going to use my freeze spray as normal and use my blow dryer to get this thing on. So after 2 layers of the freeze spray, I just go ahead and apply my wig. And the one thing that I really have been loving about the freeze spray, because I used to use the Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle and the gel, like both the bottles, is that I can just use my hand and it doesn't leave like that gooey, sticky residue. It just, I don't know, it's just so much easier. So if you have not used freeze spray to apply your wigs, you should try it. And if you have another method that you use, please let me know. I would love to try something different. So yeah, so next I'm just going to flat iron this hair pretty straight, or as straight as possible. It didn't really need too much flat ironing because it's already straight hair. And then I'm gonna go in and do my baby hair. So really quickly, the hair is really soft, really shiny, you guys. You can tell right here it's got body, it's got movement. I didn't really experience any shedding. I did get a few tangles kind of here and there, but nothing serious at all. So I'm just gonna do not even a little bit, I'm just gonna do some baby hair. Y'all, I'm running out of all the product that I normally use, so my stash is super low, so I had to be super stingy with how much product I apply for this wig. But luckily it didn't really need much of anything. So yeah, I'm just doing a few swoops in the front of baby hair. And I just want to point one thing out, like this wig is pretty affordable. This is 26 inches and I think it's around $290, I believe. But that's not like that's because of the length, you guys. I think some of you may not really understand how expensive wigs can really get. And really $250 to $300 is not a lot. I understand if you're new to wigs, like I once was. I was like, oh heck, I don't have that kind of money. I don't have $300 for no hair. But if you think about it, you know, that's the price that you're paying for bundles, and then you got to pay for someone to install it and all that good stuff. And this is just the price for one unit. Also, that's for 26 inches, and you don't have to get 26 inches. I think the same wig that I'm wearing right here in 20 inches or 22, one of those, don't hold me to it, is around $165 or so. So just, you know, just play with the websites, whatever you're looking on, and just play with the different lengths as well as the densities. And I promise you, you will find something within your budget. And if you ever need help looking for anything, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys and just kind of guide you or help you in any way I can with finding a really great wig, especially like this one from Beauty Forever or whatever company. Just gonna finish up with this look. We were actually on our way to Dallas, so I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I just wanted to look presentable on the road and, you know, just that sleek, straight look that I love. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below. You know, I'll answer you. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.